Hey friends, a lot of users ask why does their Opera keep crashing? Now you might not have downloaded and installed it from the wrong source, but still search for Opera in the Windows search bar and then click on Run as Administrator in the right pane and see if it helps in launching Opera properly. Wait till it launches completely to check if it's actually working. If not, then simply search for Opera once again and then click on uninstall. Okay. Click on these three dots here and select uninstall and then uninstall once again. Okay, this will remove Opera. Then search for Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store and then search for Opera here and hit enter and then click on Opera and select install corresponding to it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.